Scientists around the world are working on integrating robots into our lives, aiming for them to become safe and reliable assistants. The Bionic Soft Arm is a unique robot designed for full interaction with humans. Created by the Bionic Learning Network company, the robot was inspired by the agility, softness, and power of an elephant's trunk. In some ways, its robotic arm resembles the organ of this animal. Due to its unique design, the robotic arm can be positioned in close proximity to humans to work on a single detail at a time. Depending on workplace requirements, the arm can be equipped with more or fewer pneumatic drives, allowing it to remain highly flexible and mobile. This enables it to tackle tasks that are nearly impossible for standard robots. Its unique design allows it to work in tight spaces or places that are difficult to reach. The robot itself is very soft, so it won't harm humans even upon collision. It can be operated via a tablet using the Robotic Suite program. Users can precisely control the speed of operation, pressure exerted by the robot, and the sequence of actions performed. This allows for both fast and powerful movements, as well as delicate and soft ones. The Bionic Soft Arm is the only device of its kind worldwide. According to its manufacturers, this robot is intended to facilitate the precise work performed by humans while ensuring maximum safety. But this is not the only unusual development of its kind. Festo has developed a manipulator reminiscent of an octopus tentacle. Despite its unattractive appearance, the octopus is a unique creation of nature. Similar to a chameleon, it can change its coloration, release a cloud of black ink as a defense mechanism, and due to its lack of a skeleton, squeeze through narrow crevices. However, its tentacles with numerous suction cups are of particular interest. They became the natural prototype for specialists at the German company Festo when creating the robotic manipulator Octopus Gripper. A mechanical wedge-shaped tentacle is located at the end of the manipulator. Its length is 22 centimeters, just like that of a real octopus. On the inner side of the manipulator, 2 rows of suction cups are arranged. Underneath the soft silicone coating are pneumatic chambers filled with compressed air, installed along the entire length, allowing the tentacle to bend and grasp objects. Octopus Gripper can delicately grasp and transport objects without causing damage, and its soft structure makes it completely safe for nearby humans. These unusual robot musicians play heavy metal and release albums. There have been many projects that combine robots and music. Most of them fall into the category of one-day wonders and quickly lose interest from the audience. However, there are several robot bands that stand out from this mass. They have existed for quite a long time, regularly perform concerts, and release real music albums. There are numerous examples of such bands, but we won't list them all here as it would require a separate video. It's worth noting that these robo-concerts are hugely popular among heavy metal fans, and it's no wonder. Just look at how these robots manage to energize the crowd with their unique performances. Let us know in the comments if you would like to attend one of these robo-concerts. Meet Valkyrie, the robot that will potentially fly to Mars in the future. Scientists in Edinburgh have begun training NASA's robot, which may one day accompany American astronauts into space and assist them in orbit. At present, this is NASA's most advanced robot. The 1.8-meter humanoid has 44 movable joints, allowing it to perform a wide range of movements. It is also equipped with scanning lasers and cameras to simulate human vision. The robot's tasks will include inspecting and servicing infrastructure, as well as tending to plants grown in open space. NASA hopes that Valkyrie will be able to handle monotonous work, freeing up time for humans to perform more complex tasks. Valkyrie has simplified hand structure, consisting of only 3 fingers and a thumb, and its head has 3 degrees of freedom. Numerous elastic rotational drives ensure smooth movements. The robot's designers have also added anthropomorphic features to it, in the hope that the robot will appear more human-like, rather than just a piece of metal during long, solitary missions. A social robot is a robot capable of displaying emotions, possessing advanced communication abilities, understanding emotions, forming social relationships, exhibiting personality, and learning social skills. Essentially, a social robot is a robot with powerful artificial intelligence and an embedded social interface. There are serious technological challenges for the widespread adoption of social robots, and the main one is unrealistic interactions. Furhat Robotics is developing the first scalable platform for social robotics. The robot Furhat, created on this platform, is a fully programmable social robot capable of expressing a wide range of emotions and engaging in realistic conversations with people. Developers equipped the robot with a wide-angle high-resolution camera, stereo speakers, and high-quality microphones to use it as an interactive robot for workplace training. By projecting different faces onto its three-dimensional mask, Furhat can transform into an adult man, woman, child, or even an animal. It can not only speak and listen, but also maintain eye contact with the user and even display emotions, simulating customer behavior in various situations. From a disgruntled shopper in a store to someone attending a job interview or a client receiving bad news from an employee. The Furhat robot has already undergone testing and is available for purchase. Its cost depends on the complexity of the task that the user sets for the software developers. A great way to avoid mistreating animals by replacing them with holograms has been implemented by Roncalli Circus in Germany. They have developed three-dimensional holographic images created by projectors that transmit images onto a 32-meter wide and 5-meter deep arena with a 360 degrees view for the audience. However, their shows have remained just as captivating. Modern technologies allow creators to reach a new level of circus performances. Audiences can witness tricks that real-life animals wouldn't be able to perform. The technical aspect of the issue is handled by the company Blue Box, which installed the Optoma system inside the large arena. Holographic animals come to life due to 11 laser projectors positioned around the central ring. The circus's upgrade cost organizers over €500,000. Following this, their popularity has soared. In a year, over 600,000 tickets priced from €29 to €70 were sold for Roncalli performances in Hamburg, where it is located. Let's turn back to robots. This Labrador Retriever can carry things. It's a robot resembling a hybrid of a table and a nightstand, primarily designed to assist elderly, sick, or injured individuals. The Labrador Retriever is maneuverable enough to navigate through an apartment, smart enough to automatically navigate around people, and can work in conjunction with the Alexa voice assistant. It's also strong enough to carry up to 11 kilograms of cargo. Additionally, developers plan to add a couple of interesting options like a follow me mode, and they promise to roll out the Labrador Retriever Pro model in the second quarter of current year. Next up is a robot named King Louie. It was created at one of the American universities, and not without reason, but with funding from NASA. Although it's not surprising, the robot is inflatable, which means it will be extremely useful in space, as King Louie is lighter, cheaper, and safer than its classical robot counterparts. The inflatable sections are hidden in a fabric shell and act like muscles due to a compressor. According to the developers, King Louie is not inferior in lifting capacity to industrial robots like Baxter. And in some reviews, another scenario was highlighted. If necessary, the robot can become a backup source of air. Perhaps this is the first step towards chubby beauties like Baymax. And finally, here's an interesting development that looks like a clothes dryer or another wind generator at first glance. But don't be fooled. It is a holographic fan on the screen, and moreover, one of the largest on the market. With over 3 meters in height, rotating at a speed of 500 RPM, and featuring 5,512 LEDs. The numbers are impressive. Advertisement clips, movies, and everything else are clearly visible even on a sunny day thanks to the brightness of up to 2.5 thousand nits. By the way, the video is played from a memory card via an Android and iOS app, from the cloud, or directly from the internet, and this rotating wonder will work for at least 20,000 hours. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Caro Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.